Okay, so let's review the day. I think this is really important, especially if you're selecting a Emini trading room that you might want to be a member of. So this morning in our pre-briefing, I kept remarking to my traders on Zoom and inside the group when we were done with Zoom, the risk of a short squeeze is high. Be careful. Yes, the trade is short or flat, but be careful, especially when we come to some high time frame levels. And so let's talk about that. So this morning we started trading and I actually turned Zoom off early. This is horrible price action, as I mentioned in the video. And I said, I will be back in the afternoon. And then before the FOMC, I made this post in the group 5 minutes before the announcement. And I said, this is what I expect to happen. We're going to come down here to this white line and we're going to short squeeze. And we're going to short squeeze. And then here is the chart, seeing it a little more clearly. And the first time we came down here, we were looking for longs. A couple of us went long. The next time we did this, I actually had a long right here at the bottom of my strong range. Didn't quite get there. I wished it would have. And then we were looking for longs here and looking for longs here at 73.72. Scotty, one of my new traders, made a 10-pointer today by going long here, and I kept trying to be going long down here. Wasn't as successful as I wanted to get into the right trade because once this thing started short squeezing, it is stay out of the way. And I'm just really happy with how we saw the price action, kept the traders safe, and some of my traders did very, very well because of that. Staying safe and staying consistent in your play calling. Staying consistent in how you trade and not just jumping into trades. You want a good trade location and a good reason, and I was very pleased with how we did that. So if you're looking for an E-mini trading room, check us out at microstrader.com. Stay green, my friends, and to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.